Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to create a quick thumbnail using Photoshop. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, let me import my all the essentials of this project. So I'll be choosing a model and a background and some these three images. So you can choose anything you like. So I'll be choosing this person as a model. This photo I got it from a free website. So after you open all these images, you click here and unlock the background and make it as a layer, and go to this quick selection tool and select the your image like this, and and right click and click on layer via cut and delete this background layer, this one, and next thing you want to do is to drag this layer on this background layer. So this will be our background, so I'm using this image back as our background image. So I'll drag this person here. So next thing you want to do is to go here and select this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this, and go to this color and select the color as black. No, wait. Okay, choose the color as black. If you double click, you can see that you can change the color, and drag this rectangle layer below the model layer like this, and click on the rectangle layer and go here and select it, the option as soft light. As you can see, there is a kind of uh, rectangle behind this person. So next thing you want to do is to duplicate this rectangle layer again by right clicking and selecting duplicate layer. Okay, as you can see, we kind of have a like a rectangle effect on the back of this person. And the next thing you want to do is to click on this yours, like the portion, this portion, and right click and click on blending options, and I'm choosing this bevel and emboss. So this kind of adds a good effect. So I'll be adding a stroke and choose the blend mode as outside here, and let the I'll be choosing the color as white. I'll increase the size a little bit, not that much also. Okay, this much is enough. And next thing you want to do is to go select this layer, this person's layer, and go to image and adjustments and select this shadows or highlights and play with the settings, so that this person's image should match the background. Okay, and again select this layer and go to image and adjustments and select on curves, and again play with the settings so it matches the background. So I'll choose a little of this like this. Okay, and I'll place this one a little bit right and towards like this. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to add your text. So go here and click on this text, and I'll be choosing a random title, and make sure you choose a best font for this thumbnail title. So I'll be choosing the size as 300, and I'll choose the color white, and after you inserted the text, go here to the layer and right click and go to the blending options, and to select this, don't select this one, and add a stroke to it. It should be outside and let the color be black. I guess 7 is enough. So okay, 9 is enough. The next thing I'm gonna do is to add a color overlay or a gradient overlay. I'll choose this gradient overlay. As you can see, I have this blue and white, so you can also choose any of the presets you like here. So I'll be pressing OK. The next thing I want to do is I will duplicate this layer, and I'll drag this one downwards like this, and I'll type 2, and I'll make the size as I guess 150, not 150, I guess 200. This might be enough. Okay, and I'll drag here, and next thing I'm gonna do is to duplicate layer again and drag this one a little bit downwards. I'll make this font a little bit bigger. I'll make it 350, not 350 is a lot big, I guess 300 is enough. And I'll again duplicate this layer. Let me insert this one correctly, yes. And drag this one downwards, and I'll edit the text. And I'll reduce the size of this. Let me make it to 250, or else 200 is enough, I guess. Oh shit. Let me quickly resize it to 200. Okay, and I'll drag this one on the center like this. And to make this thumbnail a little bit like to add a little bit extra thing, I'll add a dollar symbol to it, so it might look nice. So I have this dollar symbol PNG right here, and I'll drag this layer here, and as you can see, it has went below, has went behind the text. So I'll select this layer and drag it upwards like this, and resize this one by going to edit and free transform. I'll place it here. This is fine, and I'll just make a duplicate version of the layer. So as you can see, our thumbnail is almost ready. I should say it is completely ready right now, and you can insert anything you want, like any other things you want. So this was a video on how to create a thumbnail quickly using Photoshop. So thank you for watching. Please comment